We are told that a broken heart is just a metaphor, a poetic way to describe grief. We are told that sadness is only in the mind, that tears are just water, a fleeting emotion. But biology does not care about your poetry. Biology knows the truth. Your brain has the power to reach down into your chest and crush your heart with its bare hands. And in that moment, the metaphor dies, and the Takotsubo begins. Join me in the lab today. We're breaking down how mortality actually works. Welcome to Thanato Lab. I'm Barn Owl. Today, we dissect the only condition where a feeling can kill you. It is technically called Takotsubo Cardiomyopathy, or simply broken heart syndrome. Part 1, the chemical assassin. To understand this murder, we must look at the weapon. The weapon is you. The human heart is a dual pump system, right side to the lungs, left side to the body. The left ventricle is the workhorse, the thick muscle that keeps you alive. Usually, stress makes it beat faster. Adrenaline is supposed to be a survival boost. But in a moment of catastrophic emotional trauma, a death, a divorce, a shock, the rules change. The brain triggers a catecholamine storm, a massive flood of stress hormones. Epinephrine, adrenaline levels spike to 30 times the normal limit. 30 times. Instead of stimulating the heart cells, this overdose stuns them. It poisons the pump. Part 2, the octopus trap. This is where it gets strange. The heart does not stop, it transforms. It was first described by Japanese researchers in 1990. They saw a shape they recognized. The Takotsubo is a ceramic pot used to trap octopus. Narrow neck, wide round base. In the syndrome, the base of the heart contracts violently, but the apex balloons out. This apical ballooning renders the heart unable to pump blood effectively, a paralyzed bag. The blood stagnates, the pressure drops, the body begins to suffocate. It mimics a heart attack perfectly. Chest pain, breathlessness, collapse. But there are no clogged arteries, no cholesterol blockage. The plumbing is clean. Part 3, the female curse. Here is the statistic that baffles science. This disease discriminates. Over 90% of reported cases are female, specifically post-menopausal women. The theory lies in estrogen, the hormone that usually protects the heart cells. After menopause, this shield fades. The heart is left naked, against the storm. When the adrenaline flood hits, the female heart has no defense. It surrenders. Is it evolution? Is it biology? Or is it the nature of grief itself? Part 4, the trigger mechanism. We think of trauma as sadness, but the trigger can be anything intense. The death of a spouse, a fierce argument, a car accident. But also a surprise party, a lottery win, public speak. Even intense joy can trigger the happy heart syndrome. The body cannot tell the difference. Physical stress acts too. Surgery, asthma attacks, or the IRS demanding taxes. The brain perceives a threat. It pushes the red button, and the heart pays the price. Part 5, the recovery paradox. You might think a deformed heart is a death sentence. It looks fatal. But unlike a heart attack, the muscle tissue does not die. It is just stunned. With life support, beta blockers, and rest, the heart remembers its shape. Within weeks, the balloon deflates. The octopus trap disappears. The heart returns. The mortality rate is low, only 1% to 5%. Most people survive. But do not underestimate it. For that 5%, the grief is fatal. Part 6, the philosophy of connection. This syndrome proves an ancient truth. We are not machines. The separation between mind and body is an illusion. They are one. A thought in your head becomes a chemical in your blood. An emotion in your soul becomes a shape in your flesh. We are wired for connection. When that connection breaks, we break. Evolution built us to love so deeply that the loss of it can stop our pulse. It is a flaw, but it is also terribly beautiful. It means our capacity for pain is equal to our capacity for love. The final diagnosis. So, can you die from a broken heart? Yes. Biology confirms what the poets always knew. Take care of your heart, not just the muscle, but the feelings it carries. Manage your stress, forgive your enemies, breathe. Because the monster isn't under the bed, it's in the adrenaline. If you feel the chest pain, if the grief is too heavy, seek help. Do not let the octopus trap close on you. There is much more biology to uncover here. Thank you for watching Thanato Lab. Hit subscribe to join our next investigation.